also everybody this protection for you, sir. And another is you are for country going, and this Buddha Swayambhu Kathmandu, this memory for you, sir. Minzu Shri stupa. Little bit down, sir. I'm blessing you. This sister. Oh, nice. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, guys. So we just left the guy. Okay. So, but to be honest, guys, I don't like it. Like, I don't like the behavior. Like, you see, this is what he tied. Okay, the yellow and the red bundle. How do you call it? I don't know. He tied this thing, but the way he approached me, he was like, hello, are you from Africa? I said, yeah, I am from Africa. So he was like, I want to give you a gift because you're from Africa. And he was appreciating and telling me positive thing about Africa, the things he knows. Like, and the thing I don't like it, like, at first he said, I want to give you a gift. What does it mean by a gift, guys? It's a gift. Someone giving you, for sure it will be something for free, right? So I was okay. He said, I will give you this gift and kneel down. I will pray for you. He did everything as he said, guys. For me, like, I don't know much about the Buddhist people, but I just saw him like someone like a father, okay? Because I'm a Christian. For us, like, we respect other people, culture and the religion, guys. So I was doing what he was doing because what he was saying, because it's my first time here. I don't know about the people, the tradition, guys. So I respect that, and I was just doing what he was saying. And he tied this thing. He prayed for me. And the worst part, I didn't just record that, guys, because it wasn't okay. So when he tied these guys, he asked for donation, okay? He said you can give donation. What does it mean by donation, guys? Donation is you can donate anything, right? You can give anything as a donation. So I gave 100 rupees, but he said no, give 200. So I have to give him 100. So I have to give him 100 more, so which is like 200, guys. And this is not good. This is not good. I don't really like it, because this is, for me, it's like a scam, guys. Because in the beginning you told me it's a gift, okay? In the beginning you said it's a gift. Then again you asked for donation. I accepted that as a donation, okay? Yeah, I can donate. But why to ask more for donation? He was asking for 200, guys. This is not good. I just want anyone who is watching this video, especially the foreign people, please, if you find people who want to give you something for free, better don't take it. Don't take it, guys, because this is like a scam. This is like a scam, guys. It's just like a scam, because if someone want to give you something for free, they shouldn't be done this way, guys. I really don't like it. I hate it. Other than this, I just had a good experience inside here, guys. I love everything about the Swayambhu, guys. I'm not making this video like to be against that person, but it's like awareness video, guys. For whoever will watch this video, please don't accept such things from anyone in this temple. And I'm pretty sure this is not gonna be only way of them scamming other people. There is so many ways, guys, so you have to avoid that. If someone stranger asks you for something, please just avoid it. Just avoid it, guys. Don't accept it. It's not really good. It's not really good, guys. It's not really good. I just don't like it, guys. Yeah, so that is it, guys. I'm in Nepal and I'm still exploring, guys, having good time. Been to Bhaktapur, Buddhanath and Swayambhu. In Bhaktapur and Buddhanath, I never experienced anything like that. Everyone was so lovely. I know Nepali people, most of them, since I came, I never experienced anything bad. And everyone was so friendly, and I'm really having a good time, right? You should avoid such kind of people, guys. And I was just like, oh my god, this guy is so smart. He was like, I like your hairstyle, I like your t-shirt. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. I'm not mad about the 200, but I'm just thinking, if he can do this to me also, then how many people so far have been scammed, okay, in this kind of a fake way. It will be good if someone will ask you for the money. It's better you beg than doing such thing, right? I'm pretty sure no one will like such thing. To ask for donation can be also like 1 rupee. You have to accept anyhow, and it's not a must also to give donation. But he asked for donation and he was asking for more donation, yet he said this is a gift. I just want to know, guys, how much does this one cost also? Because when I've been to India, this thing there is like 20 or 50 rupees, guys. So I was, at first when I gave him the money, I said it's okay to give him 100 rupees. It's just like I bought it. But again he asked for 100 rupees more. Is that a donation? What donation is this, guys? I really feel so bad for this guy. And I don't know what he's going through. Maybe he's trying to make money, but this is not the correct way of making money. Yeah, it's okay, guys. It's okay. Just know that you should avoid such things. And there is a lot other scams. I'm aware of it, guys, because I used to travel. I always avoid a lot of scams. But today, this one was so crazy. And you know why I fell into his scam? Because, as I told you, I respect the way he dressed. He looked like a monk. He's a monk, right? So I respected the culture. So I was so curious also to know what is it about, and to listen to him, like listening to father, right? But this was not very good. It's not good. Anyway, guys, I will be leaving the Swayambhu, guys, in case if I had any of other Buddhist people feeling regarding this video. I'm really sorry. I know in every country, every place, guys, or every religion, not everyone are bad, guys, but there is some people where they are really different. So it's something common you will find anywhere, everywhere, in every country. Even if you come to Africa, also my country, we have a lot of scammers also. So what is good is that to make such video to avoid such bad behavior, because this is not good way. He rather ask for money. Believe me, if that monk will be begging inside here, he will get so much of money in a good way as begging, but not in a bad way as scamming, guys. This is really not good. So this is just for awareness to avoid such behavior, guys. Other than this, there is nothing bad I see here, guys.